I've got this new Neo-Tec chainsaw that I'm trying out for this homemade chainsaw mill that I have. And the price on this chainsaw is, unless you look at it and see it, you might not even believe it. What's amazing to me is it came with a tool bag and the tools. The other thing is this sleeve. It'd be one thing if the chainsaw was just the price that it is, but when you get other things with it, it just sweetens the deal. The reason I'm drilling a hole here is so I can put my homemade chainsaw mill on there. What I'm going to do next is I'm getting the thickness of this 2x4. This is the rougher side of this board. It'll still be usable, but I'm making a beam and then the board at the same time. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more videos like this on the channel here. That'll work. If you want a Neo-Tec 20-inch chainsaw like this one, just check out the shopping link for the latest deal.